everyone, I'm going to share with you how to make another basket for your sewing room. So here I have two sides of the square, and each side I have two. Okay, so the fabric I have two, and the interface and I have one, but I'll go for the fabric first. The fabric here I cut two. It is 10 inches by 10 inches, and the right side already face the right side if you use the flower of the prints. Okay, and the interface in here I cut 9 inches in half by 9 in half, and I'm going to place it in here. When I place around here, I have a quarter up and in. And the fabric there have two, right side facing the right side already, and the side is 8 inches and a quarter square piece. Now you're going to place it in here exactly the same way with the other one. You're gonna iron it. As long, I just want to let you know, as long as you cut the interfacing straight, the fabric it's okay, because you're going to follow the interfacing when you sew. Okay, so you're going to sew it from here, iron, and then sew around here. Leave about 2 inches open. Everyone, after I sew and I left here about 2-3 inches, it's up to you. Okay, and go trim around. Okay, so everyone, after I touched it, both of them, from one corner of the red one, go one corner to the other. You can draw the line, and then the other line, and then from here you can fold it in half. You draw the line, and then the other way, fold in half the other side, the other way, draw the line. Oh my goodness, it's like a firecracker. Okay, so we have line all around, and with this one right here, when you sew it, you won't see it. You can go right in here. You don't need to fold. If you want to make sure, you can fold it to make sure that you get the line in the middle. Okay, like so, and then draw the line. Draw the line here. Now I have cut the square with 2.5 inch square. I am going to fold this way. You're going to make sure the corner goes straight down. You know, this because I'm too lazy to fold again. Okay, so now you're going to draw the line. Just follow this. Draw on the square. Okay. Now you're going to bring this back. And make sure you place, you just want to pin right in the middle right here, and then the center of the red one. You're gonna make sure just for now it stay right. Everything line up. If not, turn around until it line up. Now go on the pin, and so I can tell you where to sew. So you're going to sew, the first thing you're gonna sew the square here, okay? And then after that, in each line that you draw, you're gonna sew it up to here, stop. And then from here, you're gonna sew it up here and stop. From the corner here, gonna sew up here and stop. From here, the outer of the square, go up to here and stop. Do that all the line here, okay? Everyone, after I sew the line here, 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 and here, and here. So on the corners of the square, we have 4 square right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to mark 2 inches each corner, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna go in this corner right here, so 2 inches and 2 inches. Make sure it joins together. And you're going to sew it in. So first one, you're gonna go inside, so you can hold, you can sew, I can't speak English. I am finished, everyone. That look like a butterfly. From the side to side, it is same than everyone. It's like 11 inches from one across the other. So you can put anything in here you like. I have the clip. You can put the clip on one side and then put something else on the other side, or whatever you want to keep. Okay, it's cute. Cute little thing. Or if you use a jewelry, you can put earring on each. I don't know if I have enough earrings to put in there. I only have a few earrings. This one is really cute. When you make wallet and put on the zipper, it's so cute. I forgot to use it. I make so much. You know what? You can make earring too. Put this. You know. And then you can add the button on one side, the other side, whatever, okay? Go whatever you want to do. Get some bead, get some button, with whatever you want to put all around. It's all up to you. And I have the snap button here. You can put on one side, and then so many things that you can do, okay? So there's no wrong or right, everyone. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please take care of yourself. And make sure you write me a comment. Let me know what's going on. If you like the video, what you like to do, what you like to use it for. I love to hear what you use this for, everyone. Sometimes other people say, I have no idea what I'm going to use for it, but I love to make it. So it's all up to you. So whatever you want to make it for, just go and share in the comment. Other people like to hear what you use it for. And sometimes I make things, but I'm like, what I'm going to use it for, I don't know. You know, so whatever you want to use. So just simple, easy to make, something you can do for a gift. You know, keep the zipper pulled in one side too. It because the square in the middle that we sewed it in, so it won't fall in the holes. Look at that. You know what happened to my arm? Sometimes I go shopping and then I have stuff in the shopping bag and then I put in my arm and I carry that way. I have a problem, everyone. I have big problem. I always carrying on my arm. I don't hold this. I don't understand. My problem. Can someone fix my problem? I always carry that way, and my mom always says to me, say, you easily to get bruised, so why are you doing that? I say, I don't know. I wish I know. Look, I have so many things. When I buy stuff, I buy a lot. And this is can keep so much, everyone. So much stuff that you can keep in one little thing here. You see, there gonna be more. You can add it in, okay? So it's up to you, everyone. Let me know in the comments and share with others what you use it for. Okay. I'm gonna keep button on one side too. Look at this, the penguin button. So thank you very much for the people who joined my YouTube channel membership, my channel membership, and I really appreciate your kindness and your support. That really mean a lot to me. And I hope you make this, everyone. The butterfly clip or whatever holder, okay? Stay safe, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also check my second channel. I don't know if I continue to do that because I need like 4,000 hours, and right now I only have like 1,000 something. So I may quit that channel. I'm not sure. If you want to support me, just turn on the playlist and the relaxing music and listen to the music. Let the music play and listen to it to give me more hours. And anyway, stay safe, everyone. Love you.